Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today we're talking about a must-have tool for every kitchen, the adjustable handheld baking funnel tools. Cream batter, chocolate liquid dispenser, pastry mold, cookie, cupcake, pancake baking tools. This versatile and practical kitchen gadget is a game changer for all your baking needs. Now, let's dive into the features of this amazing tool. Made from food-grade plastic, it is completely safe to use and easy to clean. Its corrosion-resistant nature ensures that it is safe and healthy for all your baking needs. Not only is this tool multi-purpose, but it also serves as a funnel and a slurry separator. The restrictor can be disassembled and cleaned, making it convenient and practical to operate. You'll never have to worry about making a mess on your work surface again, as this tool keeps everything clean and tidy. With the size of the funnel being 9.8 cm in caliber and 13 cm in height, and the weight being just 50 grams, it's light and easy to handle. Plus, it comes with a component controller for added convenience. So, why should you get your hands on this amazing adjustable handheld baking funnel tool? Because it is a game changer for all your baking needs, making your work easier, cleaner, and more efficient in the kitchen. If you're ready to take your baking to the next level, then click the link in the description to get your own adjustable handheld baking funnel tool today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and happy baking.